No, I just didn't want you to see what. I didn't want you guys to watch me fail miserably because I forgot to take the blue pin lock off of that trailer. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just back straight up into it. Well, yeah, there was a blue pin lock still on it, so. At the speed I was going, it didn't really do any damage. So, yeah. And sometimes you just get as good as that, you know? Even if it's at an angle, you just straight on in. Jeez. Not boasting or whatever, you know? Shoot. No, it's not contact, so there we go. It's one of the stupid ones. One of the ones I absolutely hate. Oh, it's a bombing 62 degrees out, but because it's wanting to rain, weather is particularly cool. 'Cause, you know, I don't know, I don't know. 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 still good. No, they tend to drop some stuff underneath. The trailers when they load. So anyways, it's a little bit of a quick, but 283178. I gotta do this manually because of I haven't done my fuel solution. So it'll throw a hissy fit. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm looking at my phone, not the trailer. 1182.62. But anyways, that's how we roll. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Well, I guess the rain likes me. I don't know. I'm on I-87 right now. I'm heading out to drop this trailer and yeah. Hopefully when I get to Target, this rain settles down. Because of the mere fact of I don't want to deal with this rain. But, we all can't be beggars and choosers. She grabbed something from her lunch bag. Anyways, I know I didn't start the video off the way I wanted to, but may the 4th be with you, all my Star Wars fans out there. And just hopefully the 5th don't strike back, New York has been I feel like the DOT workers who make the little electronic signs have so much fun when they make them on these days. Because hopefully I pass by one unless if I see something that I want to talk about, like, okay.